505 Julie.
Procedure. Menu procedure.
0 Echo Romeo, resume on navigation on course to Tybee.
Why can't I just go direct?
No, you can't do that. You can't go direct because that won't take you. That won't put you on the line you want to be on. So, procedure.
Alright, Hotel Papa, you're cleared for the visual approach at runway 28. Do not exceed your present speed on final.
Alright, clear for the visual, runway 28.
Wilco.
8 Hotel Papa.
Cyber 1349, you're following traffic at your 1, moving towards
All right.
12 o'clock, 7 miles.
So, I'm trying to get you a line out there. It looks like you already got it. But I don't know that that's the line you want. So I'd like you to activate vectors to final. So choose back, procedure, activate vectors to final. And now look over here and get on that line. So, yeah, roll it over there. And now hit approach button. Right away, no delay. Yep.
Alright, manual.
Right.
Landing light.
And now, altitude-wise, you're just fine. You see, you got a glide path up there, so...
So do I want to go to 300? He says something about my speed.
Yeah, he said maintain present speed, so I wouldn't slow down,
okay,
but I wouldn't speed up either.
Cessna 5 Juliet, for traffic also outbound to Tybee, maintain VFR at or below 3,000.
Maintain at or below 3,000, 505 Juliet.
Cessna 40 Echo Romeo, for traffic also operating in Tybee, maintain VFR at or above 3,500.
At or above 3,500, 0 Echo Romeo.
Cyber 1349, traffic, you're following now at your 11 o'clock, 4 miles,
when we get to
3,000 feet.
Sydney, which is up here, we'll drop the gear.
Just about Tilo,
Well,
it helps you.
At Tello, you can go to 18. See how I know that?
Yeah.
He's just about where Tilo is if you have your RNF.
Alright, so set the 18 in there. And when the white banner flashes,
Savannah, Sirius 378 Tango with you.
BS flick.
Meridian 8 Pop, is there any way you can increase speed 20 knots for me to Sinby?
Yes, affirmative.
Yeah, no problem. 8 Hotel Papa.
Bring up the power.
Papa Roger, just maintain that 20 knot greater speed to Sinby and contact tower 119.1. Sorry, I'm trying to sequence you in behind faster traffic and in front of faster traffic.
No problem.
119.1 at Simbi for 8 Hotel Papa.
Actually, now it's fine, sir. 119.1. Have a good day.
Alright, 119.1, 8 Hotel Papa.
Alright, now don't talk yet. You're 170, you're there, and you're about to begin a descent, but I want you to start down now. Shoot.
Shooter 5-1, where do you park?
Never mind. Come back to 500 pounds.
Alright, be your next left, ground point 91 off. See you
Go
later.
ahead and drop the gear.
Not yet. Come back to 500 pounds first.
Okay.
Get your speed. Now gear and flaps right away, no delay. And now call tower. Tell them you can give 130 to Sinby.
Hey, what's up, Poppy on tower?
Yeah, 8 Hotel Papa is up, and we can give you 130 to Simbi for 8 Hotel Papa.
They want you fast?
Yeah.
They requested, but that's what we can give you.
Hey, what's up, Poppy? You can pull it back at your discretion, 140 or less actually, and 28 clear lane.
Alright, 28 clear to land, 8 Hotel Papa.
140 or less.
140 or less.
300 pounds.
Here's for Mike, as soon as you can start a left.
And normally you don't want to take those kind of speed restrictions.
Right now for A140.
You're a high minimums captain, you shouldn't be doing that. And, you know, it's a VFR day and it's training flight, so I thought we'd cover it, but that's a little bit tricky. I'd rather you do it.
I'd rather I say I
360 and put him behind. Yeah. Unable.
And for it, Mike, when able, be heading 190 and contact departure. Have a good day.
All right, power now. Power. 130 knots. Power. Yep, power.
Pitch trim in motion.
Yep. See, we're working with, on a blustery day, we're working with a glide path.
Okay.
Number 228.
So try to hold that 130 knots until Sinby, which is what we should be doing anyway. We got the gear early because we didn't get
5009 right, the next one.
descending soon enough. He cleared us for the visual. We should have started down right away for 1,800 feet, but we were a little busy, so no big deal. We got the glide path early. All right, here comes Sinby. So glide path is active, so the airplane's going to start down again. So now 300-ish on the power. 300-ish on the power. Right away, no delay. Because now we're looking for 120. All bets are off on the speed restriction.
891 off, Alpha Fly, runway heading 28, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading clear for takeoff, 288 and 1 off Alpha.
Good. Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
Delta, 891 Alpha, Alpha,
Train off it.
310 heading 28, you're still clear for takeoff.